happy birthday to me. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to sing the whole song, but it is my birthday. So what's better on a birthday than 2 nice, juicy ribeye steaks? So check these out, and here's how we're going to prepare them. 1.5 pound ribeye steak. And what we're going to use today is we're going to use garlic powder. We're going to use olive oil. One of my favorites, lawry seasoned salt. And I have some fresh thyme and rosemary here. And so what we're going to do, first thing, is we're going to cut up this thyme and rosemary real fine. And then we're going to let it sit in the olive oil just a little bit. And I'm going to spoon a little over each one. I'll make sure I have enough for both sides here. And then we're just going to take these, kind of get some flavor in there. And then we're just going to basically garlic powder each side, a little bit of seasoned salt. And these are thick, so we're going to add a little bit of extra. All right, we're going to let these set for probably a couple hours. Okay, so the seasoning's been sitting on these for about 3 to 4 hours. And look at these. Look at how nicely that seasoning has soaked into the meat, pulling some of the moisture out. We're about to get these on the grill. We're going to put a quick sear on them on my traditional gas grill, and then we're going to smoke them at 500 degrees on the Green Mountain Grill, probably for about 4 minutes aside. And we're going to cook these to about 140 to 145 degrees because we want them nice and medium. Like I said, we're going to sear these real quick. All right, it's been a minute. We're going to go ahead and lay these down. All right, we're going to rotate because we want those sear marks. And we're going to flip them. And we're going to turn them. All right, let's get these over to the Green Mountain Grill where we got it at 500 degrees. Okay, the Green Mountain Grill is at 500 degrees. I got the temperature thermometer in one of these. Listen to that sizzle. We're going to cook about 4 minutes aside. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. The internal temperature of the meat has gone from 70 to 100, so we're going to go ahead and flip these over 5 more minutes or until they're 140 degrees. Oh man, look at those. All right, let's get this grill closed back up. Alrighty, so, oh my gosh, look at those. Our steaks are at 140 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and get them off the grill. Man, look at that. Look, oh my gosh, look at that. So we're gonna get these inside. We're gonna let them rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna cut into them and see how we did. Okay, so we got our steak off the grill. It's been resting for 10 minutes. Let's take a look at this thing and see what we've done. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. It feels nice. Let's take a look at that nice and crispy skin and fat right there. That's going to be amazing. But let's take a cut across here, see how we did. Oh, that's beautifully medium right there. Look at that. There's really one thing left to do, and that's taste this. Wow. I think I like steak on the Green Mountain Grill. We cooked these at 500 degrees, 5 minutes aside-ish, till 140 to keep them medium. They turned out perfect. And I'm about to add a baked potato to this and finish it off for the evening. So, I appreciate you stopping. Thanks for watching this video. Please click that thumbs up, like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.